Jai Sriman Narayana. Dear all devotees, on September 21st, 2025, which is Sunday, on that day we are going to do Sarva Pitru Tarpanam on the occasion of Mahalaya Amavasya. Every year it will come during Bhadrapada Masam, the last day of Pitru Paksha. On this day, we will offer our prayers to the Pitru Devatas, and we will offer the Tarpanam, Pinda Pradhanam and Brahmana Bhojanam, etc. So this year also we are conducting this Amavasya Pitru Tarpanam at Miller Park, Eden Prairie. Those who are interested, please sign up in the below link and join for the Pitru Tarpanam. Those who want to perform this Shraddha Karma, please be on time at Miller Park, morning 9 a.m. onwards. We are going to do this Pitru Tarpana Shraddham. Kindly please join and offer your prayers to Pitru Devatas accordingly our Shastras. Jai Sriman Narayana. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu.